Could flowers be part of a solution to help clean polluted water? Nutrient pollution from fertilizer runoff coming from large farms and other sources can often end up in lakes, rivers, and our oceans. When this happens, harmful algae blooms appear, and oxygen levels that marine life need to live drop. This can cause widespread fish kills and impact our coral reefs and seagrass beds. Natural wetlands have the help of plant life to extract these harmful nutrients from the water. But many wetlands have been crowded out by development. As more wetlands disappear, so does one of the Earth's most important natural cleaning systems. Creating new wetlands is a difficult task, requiring large swaths of land. As part of my research, flowers worked like natural wetland plants. The only difference is that they weren't rooted in soil, but instead on floating mats. On these floating wetlands, roots hang directly in the water, similar to hydroponic farming. This makes it easier for the plants to clean up the nutrients that's dissolved in the water. Our research under the agroecology program tested different flowers in different tanks that mimicked polluted water and found that large African marigolds performed the best. It was amazing. The bigger the plants grew, the cleaner the water got. Comparing the water in the tanks where the marigolds were grown to our other tanks without them was like comparing night and day. Substantial amounts of pollutants were removed from the water by the marigolds, 52% more phosphorus and 33% more nitrogen than would naturally be removed from the water. And they aren't just cleaning up pollution, they're also beautiful flowers. Turns out, Miami is the hub of the nation's bouquet industry. 80% of the nation's supply is imported through the Miami International Airport. So our flowers could be sold to these many local florists found in the area. The money from these flower sales could be reinvested into the project to make more flower farms and clean more water. We're still perfecting how best to grow these flowers on these floating rafts. We hope to find the right thickness for the rafts, so the water reaches the plant roots, but not the rest of the plant. We're also exploring the idea of using native plants like mangroves on these floating gardens to help clean up saltwater areas. Because polluted water is not just a local problem, it's a global one. And growing plants like flowers on floating wetlands could help bring this nature-based solution to more communities.